They trained you to live small, to aim for enough, to be grateful for crumbs while others quietly learned how to own the table. Machiavelli would call that a leash, because the limits you feel are not real limits. They are mental borders drawn by fear, tradition, and other people's expectations. If you want to make way more money than you think possible, you must first betray the version of yourself that is comfortable with survival. Most people work for money. The powerful make money work for them. One trades time, the other builds position. Here is the first psychological shift. Stop seeing yourself as labor. Start seeing yourself as leverage. Ask not, how do I work harder? Ask, how do I place myself where value multiplies? Machiavelli understood power is not about effort, it is about placement. The king does not push the cart, he decides where the cart will go. Become rare. Common skills are paid with common wages. Rare skills bend the market in your favor. Build abilities that solve expensive problems. When you reduce pain at a high level, money stops negotiating with you. It chases you. Now listen closely. The world pays not for how hard you try, but for how necessary you become. Be useful to power. Be valuable to systems. When institutions rely on you, your income stops being fragile. Move in silence. Do not announce your ambition. Do not broadcast your plans. Attention invites envy. Envy invites resistance. Machiavelli taught that enemies are born when your rise becomes visible too early. So build in shadows. Let people misunderstand you. The underestimated move freely. There is a hidden law of wealth. Control perception, and you control price. If you look desperate, you are discounted. If you look composed, you are respected. If you look rare, you are paid premium. Refine your presence. Your words should be calm. Your standards should be high. Your time should be guarded. Scarcity creates value. Those who are always available are rarely valued. Those who choose carefully are seen as powerful. Another truth the weak avoid. You cannot grow rich while trying to be liked. Approval is expensive. It costs you truth. It costs you leverage. It costs you boldness. Machiavelli did not seek love. He sought advantage. Be polite, but be strategic. Be kind, but never be naive. Fortune does not follow the gentle. It follows the decisive. Hesitation is a tax you pay to fear. Every delayed move is money left on the table. The bold capture territory, while the cautious wait for permission that never comes. Detach emotionally from one path. The powerful build options. One income stream is a leash. Multiple streams are freedom of movement. Do not depend on one door. Build many doors. When one closes, you walk through another without panic. And understand this. Comfort will never make you wealthy. Comfort trains you to accept limits. Discomfort trains you to command outcomes. Pressure sharpens the mind. Risk reveals your true level. The wealthy learn to operate in uncertainty, while others begged for safety.